Well, good Sunday morning, y'all. I thought we'd changed up a little bit. Instead of doing a crossword, I thought we'd do a Wheel of Fortune and an Explosión de Dinero. So which one to play first? Let's play the Explosión de Dinero first. Haven't had a good win on a $10 ticket in a couple of weeks. All right, ticket number 42. Pick this up from a Texaco station where they still have no gas, believe it or not. They said they're getting some in next Wednesday. All right, looking for two matching symbols up here. No, horseshoe, banana, bell, and a star. All right, let's see if we can't find a nice win or a multiplier down here. 27, 50, 45, 46, and a 31. All right, let's find something good. 18, 12, 41, 43, 33, 11, 37, 1. Where are you? Multiplier. 8, 4, 13, 36, 25, 9, 48, 35, 26. Can we get it on the last one? Nope. All right. Busted on the Explosión de Dinero. It's going to come down to the Wheel of Fortune. Ticket number 26. All right. 11, 5, 30, 20. My lucky number 23. 17, 8, 14, 27, 9, 21. 26, come on, give us something. 29, 25, 16, 24, and a 7. All right, let's see if we can match either a person, place, or a thing down here. I and a G. Really? No I or G, okay. A, yeah, we have some A's. Alabama has a lot of A's. Z, no Z. S. E, yeah. P. J, not a good one. C, yeah, a lot of C's. Come on, R. R. W. Come on, R. U. Come on, R. O. All right. Nothing. It's going to come down to these last two bonus spins. Can we get solved for 50 bucks? Sorry. Sorry. Can we get two matching prize amounts? 25 and 500 busted on both the tickets. Well, I hope y'all do better than I did today. You have a great and lucky rest of your Sunday, and we'll talk to you later.